Hello everyone, welcome to Tangle with Tracy Anne. It's the last 3 days of Inktober, so I'll be working on a Tan Zendala tile and using Renaissance implements. That includes a brown and black micron 01, a gold gel pen, a white gel pen pencil, white charcoal pencil, and a couple of tortillions. As you can see, I've drawn some circles. The outer one is about 2 centimeters or 3/4 of an inch. Then a narrow one next to it, 5 millimeters or 1/8 of an inch. The next circle is 1.5 centimeters or 3/4 of an inch. And that inner circle, set your compass at 1.5 centimeters or 5/8 of an inch. I'll be using Zentangle's Marcus operandus, and I'll leave a link below this video so that you can find it. Place your tile on the Marcus operandus, and I've drawn mine with a compass so it's slightly smaller. You can see the actual Zendala tile fits there perfectly, but it doesn't matter. I'll just center it on the circle, and then I'm going to go around the edge and mark off everywhere where I see a diamond. If you used an actual Zendala tile, then the measurements I gave you just before won't exactly be right, but this is just a rough estimate. It doesn't have to be perfectly the same. I'm now going to section off this circle by joining my dots. Before I start drawing this tangle, I'm just going to place a dot right in the center of each of those sections in that outer circle. I'm now going to draw the tangle in each of those sections. I've already started, but the video was a little bit blurry, so I'll spare you. There's lots of ways you could shade this tangle, so I'm just going to experiment on the top 3 tangles here and see what it looks like. I'm using this Uniball eye pen to colour in that triangle in the centre. As you can see, it's quite wet. You have to be careful not to smudge it. If you have a micron pen, it might be actually better to use than this. I think I might add a little bit more white charcoal pencil in this section. When you do the order of this colouring, I'd start with the pencil shading first, then the white charcoal pencil, then the gold, and maybe highlight it at the end with a black micron pen. You can see now that by using the micron pen and going over those lines, it neatens it up quite a bit. When drawing these little bumps, I'm leaving a little bit of a space, but I started off right on the bump. That won't matter, as you'll see when I finish the pattern. You won't notice it. That's the basic pattern, but instead of shading it, I'm just going to add some white gel pen. I'll finish it off using my white charcoal pencil on the tips of those petals. I made a little mistake right at the beginning, so I'm going to use that as a place to put my initials, and that way it'll look like it's supposed to be part of the pattern. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, do that so that you don't miss out on future videos. Until next week, stay safe and bye for now. If you'd like to see more of my videos, head over to my YouTube channel, or there are a couple of links here on the screen, and there's the subscribe button.